Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my studio here in Los Angeles. And we are going to do the 100 today on the reformer. I know the exercise most of us wish we could skip. We wonder why we're supposed to do it. What's the point? Well, there's actually a lot of points to doing it. So I'm on 4 springs and mine are all the same weight. You might have springs that have different weights, and I would try to be with 3 to 4 heavy springs if possible. You also be on 3 heavy springs and 1 medium spring. But you're here to warm up. And so yes, when you curl up, it's a lot, but I promise you it's all to warm the back up. So I'll show you the transition from footwork to the 100. I just take my handles in my hand, then I take 1 foot under the bar and 1 foot down below to the side, and then I can lift the foot bar up and I can guide the foot bar down. So I start with my legs on the foot bar because that is actually a good place to learn how to lift your legs up. You can leave your legs down, or you'll lift them up with your head and chest. So here we go. We press our whole hand into the handle. Take an inhale. Exhale, press your arms down and lift your legs up to where you need to. And then you pump your arms vigorously. Inhale and exhale. So they can be high, they can be low, right? You just have to be able to hold your legs up from your seat, which is something you warmed up when you did your footwork. And then what you're trying to do is actually warm your back up. So the pumping causes your stomach to pop in and out, and you're trying to stabilize it against these pumps, but really trying to connect into the back. Also, you don't want your carriage moving. So see how my carriage is relatively still? You don't want your carriage to move while you're pumping. So if it's like moving with you, you have disconnected from your back. After 10 cycles of breathing, lower the legs. As you lower the head and chest, lift your arms. And then you can teaser up to the side and go into whatever exercise you have next. I really think the 100 is super important for just warming everything up and telling you kind of how you're starting your practice. So as you get further and further and further, you can see what you're strengthening and what you're needing to do more of outside of your reformer workout. If you would like to know more about how to add the 100 in like this into a workout, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com. We have reformer classes now, and I hope you enjoyed them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe below in case you want to have more videos from us.